Our topic for today is about creating a calendar. So as you can see, I have some examples here of table calendars that you can make. So this is for the year 2021. So these are small table calendars. You can also make something like this, bigger than this one. Or you can also make a wall calendar that you can put on the wall. Calendars that you can put on the wall. So we have a lot of examples here. I use the Google uh, search to search for calendars like this. So we're just going to make something like this, okay? So of course, the first thing that you need to do is to open your publisher. So if you forgot already how to open your publisher, if you don't see it here, all you need to do is type here in the start menu PU, and then it will be automatically placed here. Okay, so you just click publisher application. So once it's opened, then what you're going to do is to set up your page. Okay, so I'm just going to use a blank 11 by 8 of this size. So this is a size of a bond paper in the landscape mode. Okay, so this is an example. So if you want to change the page uh, size, all you need to do is you go to page design, and then you can go to your size. So you can go to page setup. So you can set the width and the height. It depends on the width and height that you want. Okay, so let's take, for example, I'm going to have 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. So it's a perfect square. And then I have here margins, like I will just put 1 centimeter margin on my top, on left, same with bottom and right. So I'll just use 1 centimeter to all these margins. And then we're going to click OK. So that's my size of the page of the calendar that I want. Okay, now the next thing that you need to do is to create now the calendar. So all you need to do is go to insert menu here. This is the insert menu, and then below is your calendar option. So when you click on the drop down arrow, it will show these choices. So I don't want to choose from here, so I'm just going to go to more calendars. And there, so it will show you the different layouts that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, I'm going to choose this layout, and here on the right hand side of the pane you have to select a month. Okay, so that is January, and then you select the year. So you can, if you see, you can click the drop down arrow here, and it will provide you the different months of the year. So let's start with January. So you click January, and you click insert. Okay, just going to make it a bit smaller window pane, so you will see the insert. Okay, you can click the insert button here. So as you can see, this is what we have now. Okay, you already have, of course you can just fit in the calendar for the month of January into the inside the margins. Okay, that's my margin, so you can resize it, and you can add some pictures here. If you want, you can decorate. Okay, so if you want to decorate, okay, you can go to your Google search. Okay, you can open your internet browser and you can search for whatever design that you want, or if you want to put cartoon characters, of course, you just type cartoon character on the Google search engine. Okay, it's taking a long time here, and then you can choose the cartoon character that you want. So it's up to you. Okay, for example, if I choose this, you can copy image, and actually when you paste it, it's take a longer time, right? So but there is another way how to paste it. I'm going to delete it and I'm going to show you. So I will delete that. So you just go to, oh no, no, to home menu, and then you see this space button here. There's a drop down button here, and you can go to paste special. I know I have taught you this one already before. I know some of you still remember it. So you just click on the bitmap. So you choose the bitmap and click OK. So you see it's faster. Unlike a while ago, it's a bit taking a long time. Okay. You can also change the color if you don't want this color anymore. Okay, say let's take for example, I want to change the background color of this. So you can click on the text box. See that? This is the text box. You see this rounded, this circle, small circles here. Okay, it means to say that you have selected this box. If you want to change the, let's see, not this one. Okay, you can go to your, okay, for example, no, no, I'm just going to choose to change the color of my text. So I have to highlight it. Okay, highlight. And if you want to change the color, if for example I want it blue there, but it doesn't look nice. I think I will change the color of my this. Do you see this one? The I will click on, okay. I'll change the color into green. Will it be nice? So you can change the color of your days. Okay, you have to highlight and you can change on the font. Blue. Okay, I made it blue. And then these things, I think I can make it, is it correct? Is it nice? Okay, I use green and blue for that. Okay, and so that's it. Now, if you want, you can also change the color of your background. Okay, I think I will change it to like something like this. Okay, so that's how you had uh, decorated your first page of your calendar by putting a picture and then changing the background color, and you can also change the text color. Okay, if you don't want the background that are presented here, you can go to more backgrounds. And I know that you can still remember how to change, right? So the gradient stops here. If you want to change them, okay, you just click it and you just choose the color that you want. And then you can add more gradient stuffs by just clicking on the bar. Mm, and you can actually choose more colors. So up to you, okay? Click OK, and that's it. I think I will put this back to, what if I use white? Yeah, I think it's better. But the 2021, I think, um, okay, I'm going to change this one into another color. So I think I'll use blue. Okay, there. Looks better now. Okay, so we're done with page one. So if you want, you can insert again another calendar. Okay, you can go to more calendars and then you use February this time. But you notice that when you insert it, it will go directly to page one. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to insert a page here. So we are in page one. So go to insert menu and insert a blank page, or you can duplicate. Okay, I'm going to insert a blank page. So the same, if you want to change the background, so you can still go to page design and then must you go to background, more backgrounds, gradient fill. So notice that the gradient fill that you have used a while ago is already there. So you just click OK. There you are. So this is the one that we have used a while ago. So what we're going to do now is to insert the second month of the calendar. So that will be February. So you can do February 2021. Okay. So it's up to you. You can use another layout like what I did. I use another layout. But if you want to be uniform for all the pages, of course you can use the same. Okay. And then you can add again another picture here of any cartoon character that you want. So you can search if you don't want this, maybe you can go to other images like Talking Angela. Okay, you can right click this one and again copy image. So this time I'm just going to you have to click on the outside, not here. Okay, click on the outside of this calendar, February calendar, and then you click on in home menu, paste, special, and bitmap. So it's easier. Okay, that's it. So if I want it this way now, so you can do the same thing for until you will be able to make until December.